10:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Genoa, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oakwood Hills, Fox River Grove, Carpentersville, Valley View, McCullum Lake, Algonquin, Lily Lake, West Dundee, Campton Hills, Virgil, Burlington, Holiday Hills, McHenry, Hampshire, Ridgefield, Cortland, East Dundee, Lake Lure, Cary, Johnsburg, Elgin, South Elgin, Pistakee Highlands, Hunley, and Island Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois.